thanks so much for tuning in. I am Nic Hyl, and today I'm going to talk about a natural manicure. Now, I have had really great nails my entire life. My mom actually says that I was born with 10 perfect nails. They grow really long, they're thick, they don't break very easily, and I've just been one of those people that have been blessed with good natural nails literally my entire life. So what I'm going to show you is some of the tips that I do to take care of my natural nails. Now, what you should know before we start this journey is I don't use gel nail polish too much. In my opinion, I think that it dries out my nails and it causes my nails to become a little bit more weak and a little bit more brittle than what they were before I started using the gel manicure. I know so many women have different experiences. I'm just sharing what I notice with my own nails. I don't use acrylic on my nails. I think I've actually gotten acrylic nails once in my life, and it took about 6 months for my nails to return back to their natural, very healthy state. So I don't use acrylic either. I just let my nails grow and take care of them. I keep my cuticles trimmed. I oil and moisturize my cuticles often. I keep them filed, and I just pay attention to my nails. I always use lotion after I wash, and that seems to help me a lot. You guys should know that I do a lot of my own manis and pedis, my own hair, my own at-home facials, and a lot of that is really just because out of necessity. A long time ago, I was unemployed, and in order to keep my maintenance up to par, I just started doing a lot of these things myself. I do them all myself still, with the exception of my manicure and my pedicure. I do enjoy going to get my nails done, but if I'm not able to go and get my nails done, then I'm more than capable of doing them myself. So follow along and take a look at this video as how I treat my nails. And if you stick around to the end, you'll even get to see some of the tools that I use and the products that I use. Just as a note, none of these products or tools have been sponsored in any way. I buy all of these things. I believe in them because they actually work for me, and hopefully they'll work for you. So stick around, guys. So now that we've done our nails, I just wanted to give you a quick Nic tip to help your manicures last a little longer. The length of your manicure is going to be directly related to how healthy your actual nails are. So you want to make sure that you're using a good base coat, your nails aren't inherently dry, And the longer and better you take care of your natural nails, the longer and better your manicure will last. A lot of people will ask me, well, how long does your manicure last? For me, it lasts about 5 to 7 days, but that's because my nails are pretty well hydrated and I take care of them. You'll notice a shorter amount of time on your manicure. The more unhealthy your nails are and the healthier they are, the longer that they'll last. That's my Nic tip for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you were able to get some information from it. What do you do for your nail health? Do you do your own nails? Do you like to go get manis and pedis? I mean, who doesn't? But when you are doing your own nails, what products are you using? Comment below, let us know. We'd love to talk about it as a community. Don't forget to subscribe, Nic Hyl on YouTube, and follow my journey along in building a brand at Nic Hyl Clothing on Instagram. And you can follow me personally at Nic_Hyl on Instagram. Looking forward to it, guys. Can't wait to talk to you again. See you soon. Bye. And don't forget, live beautifully.